welcome to Cook with Mel. If you are returning here, welcome back. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. So we today are presenting you with, we're calling it a zero carb porridge or cereal oatmeal, but it's actually -5 carbs, net carbs, and we were really keen to bring you a non-egg solution breakfast. And we're going to take you through the recipe shortly, and we've also got a surprise flavors for you to try. And if you are a really busy person in the morning, here is a tip. So I've prepared the dry ingredients in a Ziploc bag, and you can make bulk of these because they're just powders and flours, and have your almond milk in the fridge and pop it into the microwave until your milk is steaming, and then add your dry. Let's get into the recipe now. I'm going to show you how to prepare porridge cereal oatmeal for one person, because I know a lot of us are alone in our households doing keto, and you will need 180 ml of unsweetened almond milk and bring that to steaming. Now we're going to need to add some protein powder, just tasteless or vanilla one, and I'm using this one because it's got really low, it is zero carb. So we add that. 15 grams of coconut flour and 15 grams of flaxseed meal. If you have the seeds, just grind them down. And now we're just going to stir that into the milk. And that is really all there is to it. This is done. Steaming. Okay, now that you've added your oatmeal cereal porridge, whatever you call it in your country, to your bowl, you might want to have it plain. So if you normally have sweetener with it, you can add some sweetener. Or I have a surprise for you guys. You may be missing bananas on keto or oranges, and here is my little trick to have a taste of banana. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of banana essence, and I'm going to pair it up with sugar-free maple syrup. Now this maple syrup has got 0 carbs and 0 sugars, so we can definitely have this on keto. So I'm going to add a half a teaspoon to my cereal. That's banana extract, and stir that in. And then I'm going to add, instead of sweetener, that's about a teaspoon of sugar-free maple syrup. And the other flavors you could add orange with chocolate or honeycomb. The possibilities are endless. And the other thing, I'll show you another flavor we can add. Okay, we've got our oatmeal again. I'm just showing you another flavor. And this is 2 strawberries cut up and 1 serving of sugar-free white chocolate. And depending on your toppings, of course, that's going to add carbs. However, this porridge, cereal, oatmeal, whatever you call it, is -5 net carbs. So with the toppings that you add, you still might end up at 0. Just make sure to macro everything, and you might end up with a 1 carb breakfast. Oh, and what about maybe some honeycomb and some chocolate chips this time, the dark chocolate. So I'm just going to I found that using a teaspoon of this particular essence gave me a more intense flavor, and I'm just going to mix that in. Oh, that honey smells so good. Okay, and then we're going to just sprinkle some chocolate chips, maybe concentrated in the center and go around. This is if you have a sweet tooth, but you know, if you like savory, you could maybe add some almonds in there or some kind of nut, or you know, anything, whatever you like to add to your breakfast. So here we've got 3 different beautiful pairings and flavors for you to try with our -5 gram porridge cereal oatmeal. Well, I'm really happy that we can have, you know, a guilt-free porridge, and I hope you get to try this beautiful recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.